All right. Here is the hydroponic system with kitten. All right, so down here we have an aerated reservoir. You can see how clear that water is because it gets filtered in this process. And so you see that there are these couple of this is for the actual air being pumped in. This is the cord for the water pump, and then this is the pipe that's getting the water pumped up through it. That water goes up, and then over, and then down here. And then this is the growing tub where it fills up and up and up and up. And you see this guy right here is the bell siphon. So once the water gets up to a certain level, it'll start draining down, and I think we might see that soon. But these are clay balls that are used commonly with hydroponic systems. They just kind of soak up a bunch of water and don't weigh a lot. Let's see here. Hopefully down here we will be able to see what's going on. So when it, if you can see, it's like dripping a little bit because I decided not to seal this part completely. Why seal it completely when it's just going to drip down into the reservoir anyways? So soon enough we're going to start seeing some water flow in here, and we will see the, oh, you see the drop starting? It's beginning. Maybe that was just the leaky tub, but soon we will see it. We will see it. Come on then. So the way that it works is this pipe here is needed. When I just had it with this elbow here, it didn't create, like the water didn't build up enough to create the suction to continue pulling and therefore establishing the siphon. So this pipe is needed to help initialize the siphon. This pipe is to make sure that when the water goes down it doesn't splash a lot. But if you can see here that this is a hole in the pipe itself, and you can see the water starting to come down. You need that because you need air to be flowing into the pipe. So right now it's a slight trickle. It's starting to be more, and soon the siphon will initiate, and it's going to be a large amount of water. Siphon hasn't initiated yet. We're almost there. There's a critical mass point where this happens. And almost there. Not quite yet. So right now the water is just draining down. It's not being siphoned out. But you can see the water level up here. See how the water's here, but soon the water will start flowing at such a rate that perhaps you can hear it. Suctioning starting, and now the siphon has initiated. And so you can see how vigorous the water is coming through there, and how quickly the water is rising up to the normal level. Just siphoning out, tons of water coming through here. This is solid full of water right now, coming out. Get down. And so now, we're almost at the point where the siphon will break. You see you hear that noise? That's the good noise. The siphon has broken. Air has entered into the standpipe, and it has broken the siphon. And now it's just filling back up and starting the whole process over again.